Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Charita Jones, checking in. Hope you're having a super fantastic day today. Hey, I just wanted to come in here and share with you guys that I found something on social media. You know, social media will stuff come through your timeline, guys, and you just want to purchase what is on your timeline sometimes. And I like to purchase things, so I end up purchasing this popcorn from City Pop Popcorn. It came in the mail today, and I just wanted to share my review. I have not opened anything as of yet, but I want to share that I ordered some popcorn online. As they say, social media made me do it. So I saw this popcorn and I said, you know what, I want to try it. So it's called City Pop Popcorn. So this is my review of City Pop Popcorn. So I just got this and I was trying to tear into it, and I was like, let me do a quick review really quick, just in case it's the most amazing popcorn that you ever tried. And you know, I want to be able to share with social media what I have here. So yes, this is my first time ordering it, and this is the I guess the quality of it all, them saying it's, you know, what type of, you know, it comes with that. And then it comes with all of these different things to keep it cushioned or whatever. So this is so cool, guys. So I ordered, oh, this is how it came. Okay, so I ordered some mini bags because I wanted to try the mini bags. So let me open this up so I can show you what I ordered. I'm gonna move this box out the way here so I can show you guys what I ordered. Yay, I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited to try it. And I ordered some caramel pecan popcorn, and I ordered some cheese and caramel mixed popcorn. So yeah, so I bought these little bitty bags here, these mini bags here. These are mini bags, and they have like 70 different popcorns to choose from, 70 different flavors to choose from. So yes, I wanted to to try it, guys, because I love popcorn, you know, butter popcorn, the popcorn from the movie theater with all the butter. I love caramel and cheese popcorn. It's like my favorite popcorn. But yes, I'm gonna try this, guys, on camera for the first time. So okay, all right. Okay, City Pop. Okay, City Pop. Okay, that's the caramel and cheese popcorn. And so now I'm gonna got my little napkin. And so now I'm gonna try the caramel pecan. We say, some people say pecan, some people say pecan, some people say pecan. How you say it? How do you say it, guys? And what's your favorite popcorn to try? Do you have a popcorn that you love, or a popcorn company that you purchase from that you swear by or live by or just won't have without? Comment in the comment section so I can see what popcorn you've tried. And have you ever tried City Pop Popcorn? Do you like City Pop Popcorn? This is my first time ever trying it, first time ever buying it, but I just wanted to do a review. Okay, all right. All right, I'm gonna let me see. I like pecans or pecans, so I'm gonna try that. Okay. All right, City Pop. Okay. That's not bad at all. I like it. It tastes fresh. It tastes good. And that's good. I like it. So thank you, City Pop. I just wanted to do my review, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Liking. That's good. Liking, commenting, and subscribing. So thank you guys so much for watching my City Pop Popcorn review. Say that fast 5 times. Love you guys. You're amazing. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Love you guys so much. Bye. Have a good day, guys.